So West Ham United, Arsenal nil, West Ham United 1. An absolute disgraceful performance. They got clapped off at half-time, Jez. That kind of sums up the state of the fans in the ground today. That really worked, didn't it? Because they put in an even worse performance in the second half. And lucky it weren't 2 or 3-0. Yeah, Skelly red card. We were getting battered anyway, let's be real. Goalkeeper going gallivanting again. Captain. Captain. Well, if he's the captain, mate, the ship's sinking. Yeah, I'm sorry. It's a disgrace. Even Ethan today, I think he went off limping. I don't know if it was just fatigue. But hopefully he's all right because he's the only shining light in our club right now. Yeah, because he's the only one who's got a first touch and can cross the ball properly. Yeah, Calafiori, rubbish. Yeah, got cooked by Wan-Bissaka every time he got the ball. And Declan Rice, was he playing for West Ham today, Jez? It's pathetic. What did you make of that? Arsenal history and more, it'll be in the title, guys. Make sure you check out Jez's channel. What do you make of that performance, mate?
Shocking, embarrassing. Manager's clueless. Players are rubbish. Last week, I had a proper shitty cold thing. And one night, I got up, go to the loo, have something to drink. And I just thought, I'll go and watch something on here. And I stumbled across on Amazon Prime, The Invincibles, Arsene Wenger. Wow. I sat there for 2 hours watching that, looking at that
the ballers
behind you. And I thought, where have we come to, Lee? Where have we come to? I'm not even going to sit here, right, and rant and rage and get upset. I'm done. I'm done with this club for now. Seriously, I've had enough of it. I've seen enough bullshit. I can't be dealing with it anymore. I don't need this shit. 57 years I've watched this team, and this is the worst of the worst. This manager is an absolute arsewipe clown. The players are scrubs. I can't even praise one player today on that park. Not one. Not one of them turned up for those fans. And I blame a lot of the fan base. I won't lie. Yeah, at the end of the game, you booed them off. You should have done a damn sight more than that, boys. Damn sight more than that. You should be protesting outside that stadium. Oh, but you won't. Oh, you won't. Because actually, most of you lot that go there nowadays, right, are actually...
Day trippers.
You're just, you're there. You've got your...
Just happy to be there, Jez.
And it proved it today, right? Yeah. 85 minutes. They're all gone. They're all out of the game. They're fucked off.
Yeah, fire drill. Why aren't they trusting the process, Jez?
Why are you not standing there booing the shit? Did you not notice again today, Lee? The fact the players didn't go over to the North Bank or the clock end.
Oh, I didn't see it. I turned it straight off.
They fucked off down the tunnel.
Yeah, no accountability at this football club, Jez. And this is what they've been living off of, yeah? When things are going well, they want to do up all the prop, all the PR. Oh, look at us. Captain comes out. Captain came out. Aston Villa had just beaten Chelsea. Marco Asensio with a double. Rashford with an assist. Yeah, market opportunities. There was none for us. Yeah, but when it's all going well, our captain, was in Dubai. That trip went well, by the way. That's gone really well, that Dubai trip. He was in Dubai saying, bring in the energy. Where's his energy, Jez?
Now, that guy, we were on a stream on Dan Potts. There's that Harry guy, Simeone, or what his fucking
Harry
name.
Simeone, Harry Simeone.
Yeah, I had a bit of a spat with him. He put out today, well, the trip to Dubai was justified because it warms the muscles. That was 3 fucking weeks ago, you melt. What are you talking about here? Warms the muscles up. Yeah, okay.
Go and sit in the sauna.
Brilliant.
Go and sit in the sauna.
Yeah, brilliant. Since then, we've lost Havertz to a hamstring.
Yeah, and then Ethan went off. It looked like he had a knock. I don't know. Maybe he was just tired.
A little bit of a calf strain.
Yeah, he was limping a little bit, but
brilliant.
He's the only player in our team right now in that starting 11. Yeah, that you look at and you think he might do something. The rest of them you don't. Jez, 1 minute he's on the left, then he's on the right. He had some nice touches. Our captain today, Jez. I just showed you a clip in the group chat.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah, he's a disgrace, mate. Yeah, that captain was hiding for a lot of that game, and he's been doing it for months and months, even before the injury. Yeah, he don't want no accountability whatsoever. That guy. Well, not only that, we get a free kick on the edge of the box on the D, and he lets Sterling take it. Yeah, there was another free kick. Forget that one. There was another one. All the defense have gone up. Got a free kick. They're all up there. It's midway in their half. Yeah, and he squared it straight to Gabby Magalhaes. She passed it back to the goalkeeper. What are we doing, Jez?
This is class, man. Class. I mean, that free kick, 25 yards-ish, right? We've seen Odegaard score free kicks from there.
Against Burnley, yeah, he scored one from against Burnley like that.
And you give it to Sterling.
He's hiding, mate.
Player in the squad. And then he belts it straight into the wall. What is going on here? Is this a comedy show we got here now, Lee?
It is, Jez, it is.
What's happening?
Jez, they're just happy to be there, mate, these players. Same as the fans. Everything about this club is comfortable. Yeah, that guy's walking around nicking 240 grand a week, that captain. Yeah. Did you notice he ain't been doing hair flicks today? Didn't do any snot flicks, didn't do any arm waves today, did he? Why? Yeah, because the pressure's fucking on him, mate.
Good.
Yeah, the pressure's on him, and it should be on him. Yeah, because he's been an absolute disgrace all season. Yeah, and he was a disgrace when it mattered last season. Yeah, Bayern Munich, cool, he was decent in the first half. Aston Villa, decent in the first half. Disappeared. I see other captains of other clubs. Yeah, Bruno today. I don't rate Bruno. Man United were awful. Yeah, Bruno steps up, pings a free kick straight in the back of the net. Yeah, straight in the back of the net. Yeah, and I'm like, how have they got back in this game? They ended up scamming a draw out of that Everton game. They were awful, mate. Yeah, they were worse than us today, and they nicked a draw. Yeah, they were worse than us. But their captain stepped up and said, I'm pinging this in the back of the net. What's our captain doing? Squaring a free kick to Gabby Magalhaes to pass back to the goalkeeper when all of the defenders have gone up apart from Gabby. Yeah, Skelly today. People are going, oh, it weren't a red card. Yes, it was. The goalkeeper's near the centre circle, mate. It's a goal-scoring opportunity. You could lob him.
Yeah. Now that's an interesting debate. We had this before, right? I got it wrong. It was not a clear goal-scoring opportunity, breaking away out of defence, and Skelly did it then. Well, he did it again today. So what's the difference? What's the difference?
Now, the goalkeeper was near the halfway line. Gabby Magalhaes is 20 yards in front of him on the halfway line, in their half. Yeah. He passes it back to Skelly, who takes a heavy touch. Kudus robs him. The goalkeeper is near the centre circle in the middle of the pitch. Yeah. If Kudus hadn't got pulled down, he could literally just run and tap the ball in, or he could just lob him because the keeper's in the centre, not on the side. He could just whip the ball straight in. You don't even need to lob the keeper because the keeper's over there in the centre circle nearly. Yeah, people are going, oh, it's not a red. Yes, it was.
Clear red.
Straight red. And you know what? The referee bottled that. And the reason he bottled that, yeah, and Kenny said this on his fan cam, the reason he bottled that is because of Howard Webb, yeah, that other idiot that sits on Sky Sports, what's his name? That fucking ex-ref, yeah, that knob, yeah, sitting there. The PGMOL coming out with statements, oh, and we've rescinded it and it's overturned and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and our fans sitting there giving it all that. So now they're thinking, well, I don't want to be the guy that gets all the abuse like Michael Oliver did.
Exactly.
Yeah, no, so I'll get it to VAR. And then VAR went, no, mate, it's a straight red.
No accountability.
Facts. There's no accountability in English football. Full stop, Jez.
The state of refereeing in this country right now. I've told you this so many times, Lee. They're on 100 bags a year, these referees, minimum, plus bonus, plus expenses, and everything else that goes with it. They want to get their maximum points every fucking game, and they're going to, I can't make that decision. Oh, no. Oh, no. I don't get it marked down. I've got to get me 80 points a game. That's what I've got to get. Oh, no, fuck it. I'll let VAR make the decision for me.
Yes, I never got it wrong, really. Yeah, it's pathetic. Mate, that sums up English football in a nutshell, though. Yeah, and the fact is, yeah, even with 11 men, Jez, let's say he stayed on the pitch and they didn't give a red, yeah, we were never getting back in that game.
We could have had 15 men on that pitch, mate. We weren't going to score.
Facts.
Shit.
We're crap. We're crap. Yeah, where do we go from here, Jez? Because we got Forest on Wednesday.
Mate, let's be honest with you.
Oh, Forest.
We're
8 points off the top, Jez, and they got obviously they play tomorrow, so on level games now. We're 8 points behind them. They dropped points the other day. They dropped points against Everton the other day. Yeah, they've dropped points in two games in a row, Villa and Everton. Yeah, and we're 8 points. The gap's got bigger.
Yes.
Yeah, if they get anything, if they get 1 point out of that City game, they've had a touch. Yeah, because now that's 9 points. Now that's a 4-game swing that we have to overhaul them. Jez, it's done.
It's gone. See you later.
It's done. Yeah, but he ain't leaving. He ain't gonna. He's got too much of an ego to quit. Yeah, and the club ain't gonna sack him. They've done too much prop for this guy, painting murals of the set piece guy. We ain't seen him for a while, by the way.
Do you know
where's the set piece coach? We had two corners today.
What's happened there then? Where's that gone?
Yeah, because people have rumbled us, mate, because we've been winging it. Marino off the bench the other day. Yeah. Oh, we'll start him this week thinking it'll work. No, you got lucky last week, mate. It ain't going to work every week.
One trick pony that was. And yeah. I actually said on Early Doors show earlier, he said, you must be upset, Jez. I said, no, not really. I tell you, I'm not upset. I said, I've had enough. I'm fed up. I'm done with it. And I said, I hate to say this. And this is the first time I've ever said this in my life about Arsenal. I hope we end up outside the top 4. We don't get into the Champions League. That way, at least this fan base may then turn and say, get him out. Because it's going to be the fans that get him out, Lee.
Facts.
Nobody else. It ain't going to be you. It ain't going to be me.
One's at the ground.
You've got a big voice on YouTube and people watch and listen and everything. But at the end of the day, it's the match-going fans, the people that spend the money. When they turn around and go, fuck this, I'm off. That's where they'll go.
No, facts. Listen, shout your channel out, Jez. Arsenal history and what it'd be in the title, guys. What you got coming up, mate?
Well, I didn't do anything last week. I was down with the horrible cold. But Tuesday night, I'm going back to the proper history. We're going back to the great defenders with DJ and Kenny Ken. I can't be asked, Lee, to talk about this football club. I'm just going to stick to the history stuff.
I don't blame you, mate.
Because at the end of the day, I can talk about when we had once great teams and managers.
Facts. Simple. And on that bombshell, guys, make sure you sub to Jez's channel, link in the title. Matty next in an emergency meeting. Make sure you jump on and watch that, guys, because I've got an elite panel coming on. Yeah, and this club's getting destroyed. Yeah, and it's already been destroyed, but we're going to rip it a new one, and we're out. Cronky out.
Arteta out, you prick.